Oh my god. Like, I can't believe I was actually driving around with these. Like, there's nothing left. How's it going, y'all? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Now, I'm doing a brake change on the Cummins, and this is the kit I decided to go with. Now, this is my second choice because first choice was on back order for about 2 months, so I just said screw it, I'm just gonna buy something else. So I went with the Power Stop Extreme C36 kit. It comes with the rotors nicely labeled for front and rear, pads, brackets, what else? More brackets, pads. We got some lube, alright, and some boots, just in case the stock ones are all dry rotted and stuff. So let's jump right into it. Girl over here helping me out in her super exaggerated pair of coveralls. There you go, get it, get it. Alright, here's what we got so far. Gonna go ahead and do a tire rotation while I'm at it. Girl's over there freaking out because she broke one of my caps trying to get the tire off. Now she's trying to glue it back together. That's not gonna go back on. Alright, before you install the pads, make sure you use C-clamps so you can push this all the way back. Otherwise, you're not going to have room with the new pads. Alright, so 2 C-clamps. I know they have a tool for this. I don't have it, so I'm using 2 C-clamps. Push this all the way back, just like that one is. And then I can put the new pads on there. Now, while you're doing that, you also want to make sure you watch your brake fluid level, because you don't want to overflow. As you're pushing them back, this level is going to keep going up, especially if you do all 4. Just make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't overflow. Alright, so here's what the new pads look like. Extreme. Wow. Let's put them on. One down, 3 to go. Looking good so far. Look at this bum. Alright, I am running out of daylight, but I have 2 down. 2 down, 2 more to go. Let's go. To take this off, it's gonna be a 13 millimeter up there, and then right there, 13 millimeter. Now for these 2 guys right here, 21 millimeter. Jesus Christ. Now these are gonna have Loctite in them, so yeah, they're gonna be in there pretty good. Now the ones for the rear are 21. The ones for the front brakes are 18 millimeters. The bracket just comes right out with the pads in them. And this guy's gonna need some loving in order for it to come out. So get yourself a hammer. Now I'm replacing these, so I don't really care if I damage them, but if you're not replacing them, you obviously want to be careful. Now in the rear, you're gonna have your drum brakes. Make sure you inspect them. These look pretty good. They're just dirty, so just clean them up real quick. Yep, there's plenty of material there for your e-brake, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not gonna replace them. Now when you slide the new drum on for the rear, you want to make sure that the drum brakes are pretty much touching the inside of the drum in order for your emergency brake to work properly, and then you can slide it in there. If they're not touching, or you don't think it's good enough, it needs to be adjusted, then there is a adjustment screw right there. See a little star looking thing? Now you're gonna turn that, and that's gonna expand your brakes, your drum brakes, and then just turn that as many times as you need in order to get it pretty much lightly touching the inside of your new rotor. 3 down, 1 more to go. Yeah. See what's going on over here. What you doing over here?
Turn this back on.
Thank you, Bubba. Alright, so here is the finished product. It looks really nice. They perform really well. Yes, it is the next day. I ran out of daylight last night, so I finished today. I already put about 15 miles on these, and they work great. Well, that's gonna do it for this one. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you on the next one. Peace. I gotta let my pups out.